I want to take the hype away and trade a $1,000 account, and in the process you will see if this thing is worth it. Maybe you have been asking yourself, is forex trading really worth it? I'm not talking about those who are looking for a quick way to drive Lamborghini, okay, and the Ferraris. Maybe you are a real family man or somebody who has been working hard and you're looking for a way to improve your income, and you ask yourself, is forex trading actually worth going into? Okay, I'm not going to be flipping account, and whenever I take a trade, I will analyze the trade and I will take it. I will tell you why I took the trade, and at the end of the day I will close it. And the account is $1,000, and this is a modest account for anyone who wants to take trading serious. If you're trading a $1,000 account, it actually gives you an opportunity for you to apply standard risk management, and this is what we are going to do on this journey, right? So I'm going to do a review of this trading account I have here. I actually started this account with $500, all right, but it's now more than 1,000. I want to show you this, and then we will be reviewing it, all right? So let's quickly look at the account history. This is Exness. It's a real trading account, as you can see over there. Then if you come to history, I have actually taken a lot of losing trades. Let me spread this thing out. If I spread the history out, you can see here, any place you see red, those are places where my trades hit stop loss. Okay, so if I scroll like this, you see a lot of times that my account has hit stop loss. So if you look at the history, let me do something. This account has been running for 3 months. Actually, I should have made up to $2,000 on this account already. But in the month of February, I took a lot of losing trades due to the Donald Trump tariff and counter tariff arrangement. My method of trading is swing. I do not just come to the chart every morning and look for short trades to take. Most of the trades I have taken will keep running for the next 1 week. It can even go into 3 weeks if I see the need, right? So this is the account, and as you look at it, if I go here, you see last 3 months, you see what I made. Is 591.90 something US dollar. Now if I go to last month, you can custom last month. Okay, last month I did not make any real money. I made only 42 US dollar. In fact, that month was even a losing month for me. That was February. But my focus has been account preservation, and this is how I do with the other accounts. When people meet me that they want me to trade for them, I encourage people to start trading. If they want me to trade for them, let them bring something reasonable, something as $10,000, because if you make 10% on $10,000, that is $1,000, and it's something that is actually worth withdrawing and sharing. But when the account is very small, you will be trading moderately. You can't really make so much in a very short period of time, because I do not believe in flipping accounts. I am in Nigeria, trading from Nigeria, okay? And when somebody comes to learn how to trade, I encourage the person to learn and trade in a way that they will not be making deposit to the broker all the time. Your focus should be how you can preserve your capital and also be making some profit in the business. That is the focus. But some people feel like they can outsmart the market, use $50 to make $1 million, when I am not a fan of that method of trading. If you are able to afford $500 or $1,000 and you want to go into trading with the right education, you can actually do this. So having said that, if you look at the trade that is running now, let me bring this thing down. I have this trade that is running here now. Expand this. I took CHF Japanese yen, and based on my trading method, because I use the fundamentals to give me the overall trade direction, the technicals only help me to know if I should buy now or if I should wait. Okay, so this trade is currently running. You can see where I entered those trades, and it is going to be a long time going. But the market has just started. It has not even gone to where I am targeting. So this is my first take profit. At least I should be closing one of those trades with $190 something. Everything being equal, one of them I'll be closing with $270 something. And everything being equal, I should close the third position with $358 US. This is only a projection. It might not end that way. Okay, so that is that. Now, if I come to the chart, let's look at that trade. CHF I'm also going to show you the one I'm waiting for. This currency, Japanese yen, for a long time has been a very strong currency if you look at the fundamentals, because I am a fundamental trader. If you look at the fundamentals, what you see on my screen is called the Weldds macro tracker. I developed this tracker to help me do fundamental analysis. So when economic data like GDP, inflation, retail sales, and CPI news, maybe PMI news, purchasing managers index news, and so many other economic news are released, I analyze them, compare all the economies together, and at the end of the day we have the rating here. So you see, from retail sales, central bank balance sheet, to more than 20 different economic data, and at the end of the day we rate the economies like this. Okay, so if you look at it, Switzerland has been the weakest currency for a long period of time, but as we entered March, it's beginning to appreciate, and Japanese yen is showing some weaknesses, although Japan overall is the second strongest economy. But the overall strongest economy, as we see, is the pound, the British pound. So this is the kind of thing I did. When I executed that trade, the data was not the way it is now, but that trade is already ongoing. Then if you come to the technicals here, I saw that for some time, this currency pair was on a bearish trend. Then it came here. Let me zoom out so you can see. It came to this place and attempted to break. It broke that trend line, then traded back. So when it traded back, the downtrend didn't continue. This place became a solid range, and after some time it broke out clearly and took away that high. So that showed to me that the downtrend was over. And then I also did some analysis on Japanese economy, and they were actually buying bonds. The Bank of Japan tweeted something about buying bonds. So do you know what it means to buy bonds? The Bank of Japan made a tweet on how they were actually going to buy bonds. Okay, and then if a central bank is buying bonds, they are actually releasing money to the economy, and that is actually inflationary. It will cause a weakening of their currency. So that, coupled with what I have seen here, was what informed my decision. You will learn more of this in the Weldds Forex Academy if you are interested. Then I took this trade. Stop losses are somewhere below there, and the trade, it has not even started playing out. These targets are just hypothetical, but I think this trade has the potential to go very far. Right, so that's number one. Then the next trade I'm looking at taking maybe today, all things being equal, this is the trade I am looking at taking. This is CHF. I have been taking this trade for some time. Okay, now if you look at it very well, if you come to the daily time frame here, this trade was ranging for some time. It got there, dropped, got there, dropped, got there, dropped, and when it came here, it attempted to break that range. It didn't. Then it dropped back and continued the range. Then after some time, it actually came out here, broke out, and closed with so many candles for many days. It was above that level. So I informed my community that CHF is about to do a massive movement up. And you know that currencies do not just move in straight line. So when the market retraced to this trend line, I executed my first set of trade. You can see TP1 there. I've already taken that profit. So my TP2 is there, but the market is actually retracing. And as it is retracing, look at what I see here. This is daily time frame. This trend line is waiting for us there. So I was hoping that this will come and touch that trend line. It has not yet. If you come to the 4-hour time frame, you see what is happening. The market is already in a zone where we can take the trade, but I'm not going to take it yet. I want it to come and maybe sit on this trend line. If it can sit there, that is going to be a very good trade. So where is going to be our target? If you look at the target, I am going to keep that trade until it hits this TP2 or here. So that can give us a risk reward ratio of 1:10. It can also give us a risk reward ratio of 1:5. Okay, so that is the next trade that I am looking to take. There are many other currency pairs that I'll be trading, but for this $1,000 account, this is how I'll be going about it. If there is any currency pair you are looking to trade, drop it on the comment. Whatever question you have to ask me about my trading method, ask it on the comment. If this video is useful to you, try and like it. Click on the like. You can share it to your friends. Okay, tell somebody about it, and I'll be glad to work with you. I'll be doing this from now on. Okay, I'll be doing this. I'll be trading live. I'll be showing my live account history. If I take a loss, I'll show it. If I take a profitable trade, I'll show it. Then those who want me to trade for them, is actually from $10,000 or minimum of $5,000 at least, so that when you close, you have something worth sharing. Okay, so that is that. Then the Weldds Forex Academy is there. If you want to learn how to trade, you should check the description of this video. There's a link to a WhatsApp number. Chat me directly that you want me to teach you, okay, and I will be glad to enroll you into the academy. Thank you. See you tomorrow. I'll be doing this more frequently now. Bye bye.